today we're going to cover the inventory module. The inventory module is going to be interconnected with a lot of other modules because the item master will need to be connected with the sales orders, for example, and with the warehousing section. So there are 4 key parts of our architecture. The first part is our Workbench, and this is going to integrate with your Outlook and a few other email providers. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull your alerts from the system and your calendar information from your Outlook or other email providers. That way you have all that information visible in one area for you. The second part is the administration section. This is for super users only, so not all your employees will have access to it. It's where we'll do our basic setup, and from there you can go back and make changes. You'll also have access to the reports section, which will give you a set of generic reports. It'll also give you access to our BI tool, which is our built-in query designer, and that's going to let you make your customized reports. And the final part of the architecture is the dashboards. This will give you a visual real-time representation of what data you have in the system. Now, the inventory section is going to give you access to your customer and vendor information. So the vendor master is going to give you your information on how to contact your vendors, how are you paying them. They'll also give you information that covers what items they sell. The item master is going to give you a lot of information. It's going to connect with a lot of different sections. It's going to tell you how you're ordering that item. Do you have a preferred vendor? It'll also give you information about, is this an item that you're making or is it buying, what units you're selling it in. You'll also have the ability to check and see how much you have of each item, if you have any that's already been mapped to sales orders or production orders, if you have any that should be coming in soon. You'll be able to directly make your item issues and item receipts through the system. You'll be able to do item transfers between your warehouses or even an intercompany transfer. It'll give you the ability to change your prices and do your inventory credits and debits. You'll be able to create your price lists, and you can have multiple price lists. These can be for bulk discounts. These can be for just specific companies, or it could be something else, like maybe you have a AAA discount or something. You'll be able to directly pick and pack what items you want to mail out or ship out to your customers. You can also use our APIs with UPS, FedEx, or USPS to directly print those labels and do your tracking through the system. So that concludes our session today on the inventory module of Business Planner's ERP. Thank you for your time.